How to know if you're shadow banned on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to know if you're shadow banned on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to simply open your TikTok app and then go ahead on your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. So if you're shadow banned on TikTok and you tried posting a new video, you may be able to see that there is a decreased number of your viewers. So again, if you post a new video and then you wait for at least 1 hour and you feel or you see that you have a lot of followers, however, your viewers is not that increasing rapidly, or worst, your video is only um, stuck on the 0 views. So what you're going to do if you are experiencing shadow ban, then you may try re-uploading your video again and again, or you may report it to TikTok. So to do that, you just simply go to the 3 lines found on the upper right corner and then click on Settings and Privacy and scroll down and look for Report a Problem right here. So go to Report a Problem, wait for it to load, and then click on this Compose button found on the upper right corner of the screen. So um, press on the Compose button once again and then wait for it to load. So what you're going to do here is to make sure to type in whatever you have been experiencing. So you may type in, I am having a difficulty um, in reaching the number of views that I want, so whichever you want or whatever reason that you want. And then also you should remember to type in polite words such as help me with these or can you help me with these? And also say thank you at the end of your composition of your problem. So now you may click on report and then you should wait for at least 24 to 48 hours or until TikTok will reply to your request. So that's it. That's how you knew if you're shadow banned on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.